When your tools are all over the place, even small fixes turn into a headache. That's why a solid tool cabinet or workbench matters a lot. It's not just something that looks nice, but a setup that keeps your tools organized, easy to reach, and ready to use when you need them. In this video, I'm going through the 7 best tool cabinets and workbenches that stand up to real projects instead of falling apart after a few uses. Whether you're reorganizing your garage, upgrading your workshop, or just tired of the tool chaos, this list will help you find something that actually works. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these tool cabinets aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Workington Portable Metal Tool Chest. This is the most budget-friendly tool chest on our list. If you don't want a giant toolbox taking up half your garage, this one is worth checking out. It's compact and measures about 24 inches wide, 10 inches deep, and 13 inches tall. It still has 6 drawers for all your small to medium tools. The steel construction gives it a solid feel, and the black powder coat finish keeps it looking clean. Each drawer runs on ball bearing slides, so they open and close smoothly without sticking, and the non-slip liners inside keep your tools from sliding around. Plus, it has a central cam lock system that secures all the drawers at once, so your tools stay safe when you're not around. It also comes with 2 side handles that are comfortable to grip. Moving it around isn't a hassle, even if you need to carry it from one workbench to another. The full-length piano hinge adds extra durability to the lid, so it won't warp or bend over time. One buyer say, "Purchase this because it fit the space I had for it," while the other, better-known competitors were too tall. This chest is well made, though I can't say how it compares to the others, and does the job. The lid is smooth, doesn't crash shut, and the drawers roll smoothly and quietly on bearings. I'm happy with the purchase. So, if you're looking for a compact tool chest that doesn't break the bank, the Workington Portable Metal Tool Chest is a solid choice. Number 6 is the GoPlus 5-drawer rolling tool chest. This is the best tool chest for small spaces on our list. This one is for tight garages and crowded corners where every inch matters. The layout of this chest is designed to save space without feeling cheap or cramped. Now, the whole unit splits into 2 parts, a top toolbox and a rolling bottom chest. You can use them together or separate them if you just need a small box for quick jobs. Plus, the cabinet is made from powder-coated steel, so it's tough, rust-resistant, and easy to wipe down. Inside the drawers, you're going to have EVA liners that help protect your tools and keep them from sliding around. There are 5 drawers up top, plus trays and a large bottom cabinet, so you can sort small tools and still fit bigger items below. And as for the mobility, it rolls on 4 universal wheels, and 2 of them lock to keep the chest in place when you're working. There's also a locking bar that keeps drawers and doors from popping open while you move it around. On the side, you get tool holes in the handle for screwdrivers and hooks inside the door for hanging smaller tools. The bottom shelf is adjustable or removable, which helps if your tools aren't all the same size. Here's what Ryan wrote: "I found this tool chest, which works great for me. I really like how the top is detachable, and I can take it to any part of my house without any trouble or unloading the drawers. This has 5 drawers and a large bottom cabinet, which is enough space for my miscellaneous collection of tools. LT's great to have them all in one place and not lying all over the garage and house." So if you're working in a small area and need smart storage that doesn't take over your space, the GoPlus 5-drawer rolling tool chest is an easy fit. Number 5 is the Husky tool chest with hardwood top. This is the best tool chest with a workbench on our list. This one's for people who use their toolbox every day. The setup of this chest makes a lot of sense if you want storage and a solid place to work without filling your whole garage. It has a hardwood top that gives you a nice work surface. It's wide enough to spread tools out, tear something down, or work on small parts without feeling cramped. And the cabinet itself is built from steel with a tough powder coat finish, so it holds up to bumps and scratches. You're gonna have 9 drawers, all riding on soft closing ball bearing slides. Each drawer can hold up to 100 pounds. The deeper bottom drawers use double slides for heavier tools. Everything opens smoothly and closes quietly, which matters when you're working late. Also, there's a side power strip with 6 outlets and USB ports. So charging batteries or plugging in tools is easy. The drawers come lined, so your tools don't slide around, and the internal lock keeps everything secure when you're done for the day. Now, it rolls on big casters with locks and can handle up to 1,500 pounds, so moving it around isn't a struggle. And assembly is simple too. So if you want a tool chest that doubles as a sturdy workbench without jumping to pro-level prices, the Husky tool chest with hardwood top is the one to choose. Number 4 is the Icon Professional Roll Cab. This is the best for semi-pros on our list. It has thick steel all around, including a double wall frame and reinforced corners, so the box stays solid even when it's fully loaded. And the drawers are full extension and ride on heavy ball-bearing slides. Single slide drawers can hold up to 265 pounds, and the double slide drawers can handle up to 530 pounds. That means you can load them with heavy tools, and they still open smoothly. The drawer latches are adjustable too, so you can set how firm they feel when opening and closing. Everything inside stays put thanks to the non-slip liners. Now, this roll cab also works like a mobile workbench. The top is strong, and the built-in power system makes a huge difference. You're also going to have a charging drawer with USB ports, multiple outlets, and clean power routing. There's even a deep power tool drawer with adjustable holsters, so air tools and electric tools stay organized and easy to grab. As for wheels, it rolls on massive locking casters rated for serious weight, and the total capacity is 8,000 pounds. It also comes with free delivery and a lifetime warranty, which matters at this level. So if you want a pro-level workbench toolbox without paying premium truck brand prices, you won't regret buying the Icon Professional Roll Cab. And if you want to know the latest prices for the tool cabinets and workbenches discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the JEGS Heavy Duty Toolbox Cart. This has the most unique design on our list. The top of this workbench is made of 2 sliding trays that lock together when closed, then pull apart to give you access to the storage underneath. It's a clever setup if you like working off the top without tools getting in the way. The cart has 2 locking drawers with ball-bearing slides, so they open smoothly and don't feel cheap. Each drawer has a full-length pull, which makes them easy to grab even with gloves on. Everything inside is lined, including the trays and drawers, so your tools don't get scratched or banged up. Down below, there's a large bottom shelf with raised edges. That lip matters more than you'd think because it keeps parts and tools from sliding off when you roll the cart around. It also helps the cart feel more secure when it's fully loaded. The whole thing is rated to hold up to 220 pounds, which is plenty for most garage or shop setups. And with the 4-inch caster wheels, moving it around is easy. 2 of them swivel and lock so you can park it in place when you're working. There's also a tubular side handle that makes pushing it around feel natural. So if you want a tool cart that doubles as a workspace, the JEGS Heavy Duty Toolbox Cart is the most unique option you can buy. Number 2 is the DEWALT ToughSystem 2.0 Organizer Set. This is the best modular tool storage system on our list. Everything locks together so you're not juggling boxes every time you move. The system has a small toolbox, a large 22-inch box, and a 24-inch rolling box on the bottom. These boxes connect using auto-connect side latches, which means you can clip them together with one hand. Now, the front metal latches feel solid and can take some abuse. Each box is IP65 rated, so dust and rain aren't a big worry. Inside these boxes, you'll get removable trays and organizer cups. It helps keep small parts from turning into a mess. The larger boxes can handle serious weight, up to about 110 pounds, so loading them up isn't a problem. Also, the rolling box has a wide telescoping handle and strong wheels. This makes it easy to pull even when fully loaded. It also fits in a truck or trailer without much hassle. So if you want a storage system that stacks and grows with your tool collection, the DEWALT ToughSystem 2.0 Organizer Set is the best modular option you can pick. Number 1 is the US General 30 inches 4-drawer tech cart. This is the best overall tool cabinet on our list. The cart has 4 smooth sliding drawers that ride on ball-bearing slides. They don't feel loose or flimsy, and they open and close with a nice controlled feel. Each drawer comes with liners, which helps keep tools from sliding around when you move the cart. You're also going to have a large open shelf on the bottom, which is great for bigger tools, cases, or shop gear you don't want stuffed in a drawer. Now it rolls on 4 casters, with swivel wheels up front and locks to keep it steady when parked. Plus, the steel build isn't overkill, but it's solid enough to hold real weight without feeling sketchy. It also has a side handle to push it around, and holes on top for quick tool access if you like keeping things within reach. So if you want one tool cart that hits the perfect balance in terms of size, strength, and price, the US General 30 inches. The 4-drawer tech cart is the best all-around choice you can make. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect tool cabinet. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each tool cabinet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.